Hello, welcome. This is Ishia Lin. We're going to do a simple practice. If you're just coming off of being sick or low energy, this is staying close to the ground and helping you just to revitalize a bit. So starting with an exhale to the earth, to the child's pose. Inhale the tailbone down to the earth, rolling up, and inhale the arms up above your head into a prayer position, lifting the heart, rooting down. Exhale. Deep full belly breath, and now exhale, pushing the air away, clearing the auric field, clearing the air around you, purifying. And coming forward, we're going to come into all fours now and just begin to mobilize the spine. Breathing in, opening the spine up like a big smile. Exhale, rolling the spine up toward the sky. Unfurling again on the inhale. Feel the top of your head and your tailbone try to reach toward each other. And on your next exhale, reach back into a downward dog. Whatever feels good to you. If you need to bend your legs or if you can straighten them, wonderful. Root the hands, inhale forward into your plank. Draw the belly in. As you drop the hips, reach the heart into an up dog. Feel the heart start to open and release any of the contraction in the hips and heart from being sick. Roll the chin into the chest and back up into your down dog, reaching your tailbone to the sky. Soft belly breath here. Inhale your knees down. Child's pose, where you're reaching your chin open and the lymph and breast tissue is long and wide. Back into your all fours position, into the cow position, the spinal reach to the sky, and inhale open, wide open spine. Lift the chin. Exhale, chin to chest, reach the spine to the sky again. Feel the expanse of the sky at your back. Exhale into your down dog. And you're going to bring one leg all the way up, straight out. Bend the leg and open it out to the side so you get a nice hip opening. Breathe into the belly to stabilize. And come out the same way you came in. Straighten the leg, square the hips, straight leg, and bring it down to your down dog. Inhale the next leg up, opposite side. Bend the knee and open that hip. Breathe into your belly. Feel the length of your spine and the purification of any remnants of sluggishness, of virus, sickness. Expand it and give it away to the sky, to the earth. Inhale forward, and again drop your hips into your up dog. Reach the heart, shoulders relax, chin lifts. Hips are reaching down to into the earth. Chin to chest, rolling up and back through your child's pose, and it's a high child's pose. Now the booty is lifted and the armpits are reaching toward the earth. Chin is reaching out. Beautiful. Breathe into the lymph, into the lymph of your neck, your arms, your underarms. Just really releasing any toxicity from your lymph. into the earth. Exhale it down. Now inhale up into your all fours position. Reach the spine to the sky. And inhale, open. Wide open smile. Belly relaxes to the earth. Chin to your chest, rolling back up. Really find this juicy spine with the breath, with the movement. Soft belly breath. Inhale, open. Exhale, chin to your chest. Reach the back of the heart to the sky. Get ready now to exhale, chin to chest, reaching your tailbone back into your down dog. Rotating the shoulders into the joints. Inhale the right leg forward into a nice, easy pigeon here. Square your hips and make sure that this feels good in the hips. If you need to prop yourself up with a pillow, that is just fine. Inhale the arms up, reach the heart like a proud pigeon. Soft, gentle, rooting the hips down. Heart is opening. Inhale. Press down into the earth. Let her hold you. Reach back for that back leg if you can to open up the hamstrings, the hips, just any stuck energy from not being as mobile as you're used to. Opening the hips, reaching them down into the earth, breathing deep into your belly. Lift the heart and just feel yourself opening, unfolding from the earth, the root chakra, all the way up to the heart, the neck, the throat. Start to release the leg and bring that leg around. We're going to do a twist here. Twist is so good for your digestion, nervous system. Digestion can get a little stuck when we're sick. Anchor the elbow to that outside of your knee. And let the gaze come all the way around the back of your shoulder. Inhale, filling up. Exhale, deepens the twist. Inhale, widen and deepen toward the earth. Exhale, deepens the twist. Unfurl the twist now and just bring that leg forward, crossing over the opposite leg. And let's just take a nice hip opener. Our hips can get a little stuck when we've been sick and sitting or laying down too much. So take a deep, full breath. Draw the prana into the hip socket. Belly comes forward and open up the hip. Beautiful. Doesn't that feel nice? So nice. I'm going to start to shift sides now. Bring the other leg over and just do the other side right here while we're here. We're staying close to the earth to feel the support of the earth to help us come back into some new energy. Beautiful. So inhale again, bring that leg across the other leg. Belly comes forward and just let the hip unwind naturally with your breath. So nice. Root down into the earth, feel her support. You can gently rock here, just breathe. Beautiful. We're going to shift now over into the other side of your pigeon. Reach that leg long behind you. Make that front leg comfortable, no pressure on the knee joint. And when you're ready, start to lift the heart, open the chin. Reach the back of the heart forward. And if you reach for that back leg and the other side, do that here too. Open up the hamstring, root the hips down. Breathe into belly, solar plexus, heart, and unfold any contraction, any stuck energy. Root the hips down, just revel. Feel the bird energy the vast sky around you, just the possibility for healing. With each breath, you are healing, you are vital. Your heart is full. Relaxing that back leg and bringing it across the front leg to do your twist on this side. Anchor the elbow to the outside of the leg, the knee, and bring that gaze all the way across your shoulder. And unfurl the twist. Kick your legs out in front of you now. You're going to bring the belly forward, flex the feet into a forward bend. Rest down into your forward bend. If you can grab your toes, wonderful. And just let the belly be soft, full belly breath, touching and reaching toward the thighs. And now gentle twist, reaching for the opposite hand, opposite foot, and just look over and just let yourself have a gentle twist of one side. Again, letting the belly be soft and resting on your thighs. And then when you're ready, inhale and reach for the other toe, the other foot. And the feet are flexed. Your belly reaches toward the thighs. And you're just fanning the arms out for this gentle twist. Inhale, rising up. Feel the spine long from the root of your tailbone. Inhale the arms up. And just bring that prayer position right at your heart. And let yourself roll down one vertebrae at a time from the tailbone all the way to the neck and crown. And bring yourself into a nice restful Shavasana. Breathing up the earth, feeling the wind and sky feeding you. Just feeling the space around you, feeding your breath, nurturing you, the wide sky, the bird energy of the vast and powerful heart, loving you now, healing you now, revitalizing you now. Om Mani Padme Om. Om Mani Padme Om. Rest in peace now here, rest. And just feel the energies moving through your body, the oxygen, the blood flow. This power to heal your own body, to revitalize. Just with these simple movements, ancient, powerful. Rest. Namaste.